Hey friends, if you wish to fix the availability status error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. Find your OneDrive first of all, and if it's not open, then search for OneDrive in the Windows search bar and open OneDrive. Okay. Wait for it to load even if it has not synced. Then click on the OneDrive symbol here and check if you have the green tick here, whether you have it or not. Click on this symbol here, quit OneDrive, quit it, then search for it once again and then open it. I'll tell you why. This will try to resync OneDrive. Okay, this is one thing. And the other one is that you can go and check for the OneDrive server status. And hit enter. Check the OneDrive server status. Okay. Go to down detector and check the OneDrive server status. Is it good enough? If not, then proceed further. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.